When you want to fix it, always turn this side, which is toward the base. Otherwise, you will end up with twisting that side. So turn the side which is closer to here, to the end. Turn the base or top. Magnetic. So this LED has a special filter to stop the UV light of LEDs. LEDs, unlike what people think, they're very unsafe because they have UV light. And the UV light practically hardens the lens of your eye and damages your retina. So when you see the councils and the towns are turning the street light to LED, that's the problem they create for everyone. And the lights that are used in the house, if they're not having filter, this has a pink and a blue filter, and also it doesn't have flicker, unlike the LED lights that we are using elsewhere. This one has a flicker reduction. Practically you don't see any flicker. When I was making this video, you could see the flicker. This one doesn't have that problem. So I'm just changing the settings, turning it off, turning it on. You can clearly see it has different settings. You can put it on timer for 1 hour, which is H1 or 1H. So that makes it really good for reading and just using it as a general light. And this one is for when you want to sleep. You will just have a dim light, orange, quite orange. Anyway, I'm very happy with this light. Doesn't have flicker. And to make it even better, I just illuminate the wall and the indirect wall we use. And I can turn it off, turn it on. And you can see I'm changing, but the camera cannot pick all that because it just immediately adjusts itself to the light level. That's what the problem we have with the cameras. So something new I learned. For setting it up for the first use, you have to use the manual buttons here. And when you use it, the control becomes active. You can control actually the colors. So also it has a 30-minute setting and 1 hour setting. So let's go for this. Go for sleep. Yeah, you can see it changes the light. You can make it very bright. You can make it very dim. It's very white, medium, and quite soft glow. Really nice. I like this. And this is the bright, really bright. And oh yeah, you can make it dim with the vertical one. This vertical one, you can make it dim. With this one, you can change between the wavelength. So you can either keep it here, or in this case, I want to keep it here. And the control has a magnet on it, and it can stay on the vertical, stand of it. Or you can attach it to anywhere that is you have metal.